is up, everybody? Happy Saturday. I hope you all are having a fantastic weekend. As always, welcome to the show, and let's get in it. Let's see, is there any important Twitter news today? Our title here, obviously, the war on rugs. We got a new token that's going to drain ETH supply and replace it with BNB. The drama continues. We will get into the story here as we move on. Here's the Twitter account, the War on Rugs. They've got a little announcement here. Obviously, very creative folks introducing Rug Ethereum or REITH. Vitalik recently rug pulled innocent Shiba investors more than 13,000 ETH by removing blah blah blah. You know the story. We'll dig in here. Other than that, a building blew up in Israel. We don't care about that though. This is crypto. I thought this was funny. His MetaMask, his actual bank account. I think we can all relate to that, can we not? And my project here, one of my favorites, the Crypto Doggies, 5 days old today. Look at that. Congratulations, you guys. Very, very cool. All right, let's jump into coin market cap. We can see the overall market cap is sitting at $2.2 trillion. We're down almost 5% from where we were yesterday. Bitcoin dominance sitting at 40% right now. ETH dominance falling back a little bit to 19.5%. Gas prices are also coming down. That tells us people are leaving the network in droves. I can't imagine why. Bitcoin sitting at $48,318 right now, down 1.8% on the day. Ethereum sitting at $3,800, just below the $4,000 mark, down 4.6% on the day. Binance Coin sitting at $578, down 1.2%. Cardano, big winner today and yesterday, sitting at $2.29, up 17.8%. Dogecoin sitting at 51 cents, down 3.3%. XRP seen some movement today, up 11% today. Polkadot up 5%. The Internet of Computers down 14%, really coming off of its highs from its ICO. And Bitcoin Cash rounding out your top 10, down 5.5% on the day. Let's see what the smooth brains are doing over here on Santiment. Take a look at the overall market sentiment here, find out what people are searching for. Maybe. This website always really struggles to load up. You see ADA coming in number 1 on our social sentiment here. Feed still sitting at number 2. School, Matic, Kobe. Number 5, we've got a great story about Kobe today. If you don't know who Kobe is, he's a very famous crypto OG, great crypto trader. Also very hilarious. Jump over, follow him on his Twitter, Crypto Cobain. Bitcoin, XRP, Doggy, trending number 9. Love to see that. Alright, let's hop on over, take a look at DeFi Station, find out what's going on the Binance Smart Chain. Here's a look at PancakeSwap, or TVL. We're down pretty significantly. I mean, from where we were, I should say, we were over 10 billion. We're down about $1 billion right now on PancakeSwap TVL. You can see we really fell off here. But we are seeing a divergence, right, between total value locked and the price of cake. So that's bullish to me. You see TVL's going up, that's our yellow line, and then we've got the price of cake coming down. So that's very bullish. That could indicate a move to the upside for the cake token. Jumping over here to the charts, we usually start with Bitcoin, but who really cares about Bitcoin these days? Starting with Doge, you can see Doge is down, but we did put in this nice little double bottom here, so it looks like we could start moving back to the upside for Doge. There's just a quick look at the 5-minute chart here before we jump into our headlines. Here we go. Jack Dorsey's Square has no plans to purchase more Bitcoin at this point. While the company's Bitcoin strategy hasn't changed, it is not in a rush to buy more crypto, at least for now, says their CFO. Digital payment company Square, led by Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey, decided to hit the brakes, at least for the time being, on Bitcoin purchases after losing $20 million on its previous crypto investment. How do you lose? I don't understand how you lost $20 million in the middle of the craziest bull run of all time. I think you might need a new CFO there, Square. Anyway, The firm's CFO, Amrita Hawawa, who obviously can't make money, told Financial News yesterday, quote, "We don't have any plans at this point to make further Bitcoin purchases. There are no plans at this point to reevaluate where we are from a treasury standpoint." Crypto Slate reported Square invested $50 million in Bitcoin last October and another $170 million in February. Again, how did you lose money? Bitcoin is up only. Good lord, people. These purchases arguably help pave the way for other institutional companies to invest in crypto. Giants such as MicroStrategy and Tesla, for example, have purchased a few $billion worth of Bitcoin over the past few months. However, Square revealed that it lost $20 billion on its Bitcoin investment over the course of 2021. I don't understand how that's possible. I would love to see Square's books. Literally, if you look at the price of Bitcoin from February to now, it is up only. How the fuck did you lose money on that? That is beyond me. I don't understand. If you're watching the show, throw it in the chat if you know what I don't. So yeah, that's our FUD for the day, and probably at least the only news I could find as to why our markets would be down on the day, so cool. I love how billionaires just absolutely steer this market. It drives me insane. On to some good news. Fossil-fueled Bitcoin miner Greenidge, terrible name, commits to offset emissions. The gas-powered Bitcoin mining plant will go fully carbon neutral next month. Obviously, in the wake of all the crap we've seen with Tesla and Elon Musk. Greenidge currently uses natural gas in its Bitcoin mining operation. On Friday, it announced it committed to attaining 100% carbon neutrality. It's hoping to achieve this through carbon offsetting. Quote, "We are demonstrating that we can provide the same critical transaction verifications and processing services to secure the Bitcoin network while maintaining a fully carbon neutral footprint," says CEO Jeffrey Kurt. We call on others to join us in significantly reducing greenhouse gas emissions now. Yep. So more miners going green. I think we had at least 2 headlines yesterday of miners that were already green. So good for them. I guess we are, forcing change across the industry. Moving forward. Argentina orders crypto exchanges to give monthly reports on users. As Argentina attempts to halt the devaluation of its national currency, government authorities have crypto users on their radar. This move comes as the country tries to fight capital flight. Yep. Meaning, right, that their people are abandoning their country's dollar and going into, crypto because it's better. So why not go ahead and go to these exchanges and grab all the users' information? Which is why, on this channel, we preach DeFi. Head on over to PancakeSwap. They're not going to be giving your information to anybody. Not financial advice, of course. I'm just a graphics guy. Moving on. Here we are. My favorite story of the day. A war on rugs has been declared against Ethereum creator over the SHIB transfer. To get back at Ethereum, co-founder Vitalik Buterin, a crypto scam watchdog group, has created a token that dumps ETH for the rival BNB token. Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin incests Shiba Inu token holders by getting rid of his holdings. He didn't just get rid of the holdings. We know the real story here. He pulled the liquidity so that nobody could buy or sell their Shiba coin. He Robin Hooded an entire ecosystem. Fucking disgusting, in my opinion. I never held Shiba coin, but I swear to Christ, if I had, I'd be furious. Absolutely furious. I'm furious and I don't even hold any. Now, one group wants to collapse the market for ETH. That's right. The Telegram group, War on Rugs, hates rug pulls. So naturally, it's trying to pull the rug on Ethereum. The watchdog group, which says it composed of developers and auditors, has created the Rug Ethereum token, or REITH, in retaliation for Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin's decision to transfer millions of Shiba Inu to charity while simultaneously crashing the market for the token. Quote, Vitalik rug-pulled Shiba. Innocent investors have been hurt. War on Rugs told Decrypt via direct message the day before launching the token. He should never be shown as a hero for this. I couldn't agree more. Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao, who agreed to list the token on Binance's Innovation Zone, has called the SHIB super high risk. War on Rugs, which looked at the smart contract, noted earlier this year that Buterin had a very large stake in the token, which meant it could be vulnerable. A rug pull is a type of scam in which developers abruptly leave the project and take investors' money with them. They're common in the Wild West of decentralized finance, where people can go to get crypto loans, earn interest, and trade assets without the help of a financial intermediary, or the issuance of intermediaries provide. Buterin, however, didn't develop the token. He received it. The creators of the meme token sent trillions of the sub-penny asset to Buterin, who is revered among Ethereum acolytes for his intellectual prowess and his seeming lack of concern for things money can buy. No Lambos here. Sending the funds to Buterin's wallet lent the project the veneer of legitimacy, while it also theoretically decreasing the supply because Buterin wouldn't touch the funds, or so they thought. Theoretically, on Wednesday, Buterin did just that, removing the tokens from the liquidity pool in Uniswap and contributing to a crash in token price. As recently as Tuesday, the price of SHIB was 0.00003394. By Thursday, it had fallen by more than half. If you consider a rug pull to be quickly, without notice, removing a damaging amount of liquidity from a pool, then I guess that's what Vitalik did. The fact that he never asked for the liquidity in the first place definitely changes things, though. I disagree. The SHIB token project was originally deployed by a specific set of risks and a whole lot of inherent problems. Vitalik didn't change any of that. He simply exposed the token for what it was. Buterin, meanwhile, was feted in some camps as a hero for shucking off the project he didn't want to be associated with and giving the loot to charity. Excuse me. SHIB is run on Ethereum blockchain, where its burgeoning popularity contributed to high transaction fees and network congestion, already a problem for the network. Buterin has yet to speak publicly about his motivations. Of course not, because he's a little child. He is a child. I cannot say that enough. To War on Rugs, Buterin is the villain. The Wreath token, available on PancakeSwap, is its ironic revenge. Each transaction using the token occurs a 4% charge, half of which goes to holders, and the other half goes towards borrowing ETH. That ETH is then dumped on DeFi crypto lending marketplace Venus protocol in favor of the Binance coin. Venus, unlike many other DeFi lending platforms, is built atop the Binance Smart Chain, not Ethereum. This, says War on Rugs in a Medium post, will ultimately create constant sell pressure on the ETH pairs on the Binance Smart Chain, meaning the price of ETH will become depressed. In a twist, it also sent Vitalik 50% of the 100 quadrillion supply, though it has banned it. They sent 50% of the wallet to 50% of the supply to Vitalik's wallet that he is banned from. That's fantastic. Wreath has more than 21,000 holders since going live this morning, according to blockchain tracker BSScam. The move adds additional intrigue to a brewing Cold War between Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain, a rival network for DeFi applications established by cryptocurrency exchange Binance. Some have argued that Binance benefits from the congestion on Ethereum, absolutely, providing it motivation for listing bulky speculative tokens such as SHIB on its own exchange. And now it will literally be getting the benefits of the resales, whether it has the appetite for this rug pull or not. So that's that story, which I thought was just fantastic. You guys know my deep-seated hatred of the Ethereum network, and recent events has not done anything to correct any of that, so I'm giving real thought to spending, a couple $100 on this Wreath token, just on principle alone. I haven't made my decision yet, though, but I am considering it. You can see over here. Oh, here's a fun little story to end our headlines here. Crypto Twitter donates. Oh, damn it. Crypto Twitter donates $800,000 in cryptocurrency to child who had leukemia. Well-known personalities in the crypto space and hundreds of their followers have donated more than $800,000 in crypto to a child known as J.O., who recently overcame leukemia. The donations were sent in a matter of hours this morning. These were done... Here, we'll just keep reading, and then if they don't explain it, I will. A day prior, the Twitter account Dudes Posting Their Wins had posted a video of a child being applauded as he returned to school after beating leukemia. It went viral, gaining 50,000 retweets and nearly 500,000 likes. Shortly afterward, a pseudonymous individual with a Twitter handle Milkman2228 reached out to the child's father and found out he was struggling with hospital bills. He helped the family set up the Ethereum wallet and shared their addresses to his Twitter following. Crypto Twitter personality Crypto Cobain, my man Kobe, soon encouraged his 347,000 followers to join in and send both Ether and Ethereum-based tokens to J.O.'s address. Recently, Cobain found his following have been descending on obscure Twitch streams and giving large amounts of money to artists running them, sending $200,000 to one guitarist. These are what Kobe's been calling crypto raids, where he'll start a Twitch stream, and then him and a bunch of other crypto millionaires will just go out and just make these people rich beyond their wildest dreams in just a few minutes. It's pretty incredible to watch. Crypto Cobain, follow him on Twitter, he's a hell of a guy. Within a few hours, hundreds of people had joined in, sending everything from stablecoins to DeFi projects like CurveDAO and Ruler Protocol. Adam Cochran, partner at Cinnamahane Ventures, donated 25 ETH, and FTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried gave 12 ETH to the cause. In total, the account received $517,000 in ETH and $292,000 in tokens. After the donations came in, J.O.'s family set up a Twitter account posting a picture of him holding a sign that reads, "Thank you, Crypto Twitter." The account then posted a video of him saying, "Up only and pump it to Loomdart." Oh, that's fantastic. These are references to Crypto Cobain's Up Only podcast and a saying commonly used on crypto Twitter in relation to market movements. Yeah. Cryptocurrency is suitable for donating to charity because anyone who owns some can send it to any other address on the same blockchain. They can also do it without revealing their identity, enabling them to make donations privately. And since cryptocurrency is borderless, it lets anyone in the world take part. How's that for a story to warm the cockles of your heart on this Saturday afternoon? Here's Kobe's account here, Crypto Cobain. This was the tweet that he sent out right before they went live on their Twitch raid. I hope to one day be a crypto millionaire like them, just so that I can participate in these and just change people's lives overnight. It is something that I think is just absolutely incredible that he does, and something that I personally love to watch and hopefully one day can be a part of. Check out the obviously check out the Up Only Twitch stream or YouTube stream as well. They stream on Twitch, but then they repost it on YouTube. Up Only. Alright guys, we'll jump into the sticks here. That's all I got for headlines. Go up here and we'll take a look at Bitcoin. Alright. Let's see on the 5-minute chart. We have flipped our moving averages. So we are now currently bullish on the day. You know, this was kind of our sell-off all morning that we saw, and now we're moving back to the upside. Take a look at 4-hour on here. You can see all our technicals are still in place. Nothing too crazy. Bitcoin just doing Bitcoin, moving sideways like it's been doing for what feels like a lifetime now. So we're just gonna let Bitcoin keep doing its thing, and we'll jump up here to ETH. ETH taking a bit of a blow. I mean, not really. You can see ETH is just consolidating in its new price range here that it finds itself in. So I would definitely expect to see this price channel tighten up a little bit over the next week or so before we see its next move, next leg up or next leg down. And Binance Coin, one of my favorites. You see, we're bullish or we're bearish on the 4-hour, obviously, right? That's pretty clear as day. We dumped pretty hard. This was on the news that we got yesterday on the DOJ looking into Binance, which is just a bunch of crap, if you ask me. It means nothing to us. Why do we care, right? So we are bearish on the day. BC, we've got a nice little bounce here, and we are currently. I mean, we haven't put in a lower low yet, so we'll just kind of see what it does. We're looking for a bounce right here. I would love to see us bounce here. Grab our paintbrush. I'd love to see us bounce here, go up, and continue to make higher highs is what I would like to see here. But what I would like to see and what we're going to see are two very different things, right? Very, very different things. Kind of the same thing over here on cake as well. We're definitely bearish on the 4-hour chart, no doubt about it. And we're bearish on the day as well. Let's take a look at the 5-minute. See, we have flipped the moving averages. Hopefully we're about to bounce off of them here. So we are bullish on the 5-minute. We have put in a higher high. We are setting up for a higher low here. So we're bullish on the 5-minute. We do have this nice little double bottom W pattern that we put in, which whenever we get a W pattern, we know what that means. That means we're gonna win. W's mean to the moon. Oh, we're seeing a nice little move here on Doge here. Little juicy candlestick forming on the 5-minute. Same thing with Doge, right? We put in this nice little double W pattern, little double bottom. We could definitely see some big moves here going into the late afternoon. The XRP really woke up this morning. This was XRP today. Really got a slingshot going up and almost, gave most of it back, right? We had about a 50% drawdown just right there off of the move that we saw. But we flipped bullish again. We're back above our moving averages, so we'll see if we can ride these up. Spark Point. Same thing in Spark Point, really. Nothing too exciting. We do have this kind of double bottom that we put in here, so I would definitely plan to see a good reversal out of Spark Point. Cardano, I've got this on the charts because it's just been acting like a crazy person here all day long. Really moving up to the upside now. We're sitting at $2.30. Good for Cardano. Congratulations to all you Cardano holders. Well, hey, look who's here! Holy crap! COOK is in the house. My silent partner, the master of the chat. I thought you just abandoned me today, buddy. I figured you were just mad at crypto and needed a day off, in which I wouldn't blame you. I wouldn't blame you one bit. Welcome to the show, my friend. You haven't missed much. You have not missed much at all. Although I do suggest COOK go back, I don't know, about 10 minutes ago on one of the last stories that we had discussing the war on rugs. I think it'll put a smile on your face. I really do. Great story. Yeah, buddy, you literally should. I'm on the last chart. We're looking at Cardano right now. It's my last chart. That is the last chart, my friend. All right. What's he saying? He's always mad at money. Yeah, I feel you, bud. Me too. Me too. My problem with money is that we always fucking seem to need it for shit, right? What's up with that? Can't things just come in peace? James Bruce, welcome to the show. Peace, brother. Welcome to the show. Appreciate you joining. I'm done with all my charts. If there's anything you guys want to look at, throw it in the chat and we'll pull it up. We can take a gander. Ooh, hey, you know what? We're not done. I do have one more chart to show. But we got to go over to poocoin.com to look at the damn thing. Here she is. You guys know what this is. This is my girl right here. This is the doggy chart. For those of you who don't know, I am obsessed with this project right now. You can see where we're at. Oop, if I can get it fixed. There we go. This has been the movement in the doggy coin that we've seen since its launch. They are 5 days old today. Happy birthday to the doggy team. Crypto Doggies, the NFT launches Tuesday. Could not be more excited about that. Even though I will say we've already seen, a 5,000% increase from its launch. So, I can't in good conscience say go out and buy this coin right now simply because of where we're at. Although, just looking at our chart here, you could argue that we are in a really good accumulation range, if you will. There's a lot of buying A lot of buying going on right now, so it does appear that we put in a nice floor. Although, again, guys, you got to remember I have a position way back here, so you may not want to be listening to my advice on this, but just know that the project does, the NFT project does launch on Tuesday, and considering the tokenomics that they put built into this token, I would definitely expect to see some pretty wild price action come Monday night going into the launch of the token, or the launch of the NFT Tuesday. For every crypto doggy that's bought, all the doggy token used to buy it gets burned. So we've got a nice deflationary mechanism built into the token, which, as long as demand remains high, should reflect nicely on the price of the token itself. All right, guys, that is all I've got for the day. Unless there's anything else you guys want to take a look at, I can leave you here. CWK, since you did show up late, we'll just circle back to this here. We'll just go to the tweet if I can find it. Dogs on the moon, for sure. Also, just like I told you guys I was going to do yesterday, I am in the process of liquidating a lot of my big holdings right now and moving those holdings over to Doge. I was not joking yesterday when I said that times have changed and I'm no longer going to be holding tokens that have utility and purpose to them. No, we're in the age of meme coins. I am shifting my holdings to Doge. Doge to the damn moon. And then whatever massive gains that I end up taking out of the doggy coin itself, I'll probably end up rolling those into Doge at this point too. Because that's the world we find ourselves in. That is where we're at. Here we are. Check this out, CWK. The war on rugs. There is a new token, if you didn't catch that, called Wreath. And basically, in a nutshell, for every... it's a token that basically just vampire attacks the Ethereum network, replacing Ethereum with BNB. It's pretty fantastic. Pretty damn fantastic. It made me smile and warmed the subcoccygeal region of my heart the second that I saw this story. And personally, as soon as we get done with this stream, I'm going to be taking a really, really hard look at Wreath, because you know what? This is personal. This is personal. That gated community has fucked over so many people. And then to have Vitalik put the cherry on top the other day, man, that was painful. That was painful. Damn ETH maxis. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Alright guys, that is all I got. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you liked the show, if you enjoyed today's content, as always, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe, ping the notification, hop on over to Twitter, give me a follow there. That way you know when we're going live and you can stay up to date on all the most current crypto news and whatever my personal thoughts are at the time, which can be entertaining or annoying depending on the day. Alright guys, thanks for hanging out, and we'll catch you later.